you're out there, you're riding, you're having a good time, and taking in the outdoors.
The fight isn't over. The fight is just beginning.
What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the RacerRed channel. Today I'm riding a mighty 2019 CRF125F. That's the small wheel. Brand new, off the showroom. You can pick one of these up for $3,100. I've kept good oil in it and stuff, so it's a pretty solid bike. Standing up is more difficult on this bike than a regular one if you're an adult like me. So I have no need for this bike whatsoever, but the cool thing about these Hondas is they're generational bikes, meaning like they just last forever. So if you buy one, it'll likely last you forever as long as you keep it. So this will likely be used by many people. My daughter is almost big enough for it. She's getting there. Build quality is amazing, but I do have one complaint about it, and that is the carburetor. EPA regulations. EPA regulates manufacturers, and they make it to where a bike can't even run. This bike is actually designed to run lean, which is a real problem, and they do that in the name of the environment, of course, and you know, making it burn less fuel, but in reality you burn more fuel. It makes no sense because you have to crank on the gas way more, and you're being way less efficient because you're sputtering and popping and cranking on the gas and just dumping fuel into the carburetor. If they just made bikes run right, you would get up terrain the most efficiently and you would burn less fuel. There are no bells and whistles on this bike besides the magic button. It has e-start. So as long as you keep your battery fresh, you can just push the button and it'll start right up. It also has kickstart, which is amazing to have both. And really, even for somebody my size, I can take this anywhere, I think. I haven't taken it too many places yet, but I'm pretty sure I could take this anywhere. I think I'm going to start I'm going to start a mini bike day. That will help slow my pace down and make it so you, like, whoever wants to show up can just show up and go super slow, not have to worry about falling behind or anything. But of course, mini bikes will be encouraged. The more mini bikes, the better. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think of doing a mini bike day. I've been thinking about different ways to connect with subscribers and stuff and do rides. I know a lot of people don't want to do the gnarly stuff, and I think a mini bike day would be super legit. Pretty much have to have kids to have a mini bike, unless you just really enjoy. Ugh. This 90 is doing pretty good. Yeah, we're heading up to a lookout up here. Can't remember the name of it, but we should be there before long. I'm at Bergdorf, and been pretty awesome so far. The conditions up here have been pretty good. Look at that, beautiful. Smoke off in the distance. Those fires are over in Oregon. The bootlegger fire is huge. A gigantic wall coming at us. But really, that's not very much smoke. It's not enough to where I can even smell it, really. I can't smell smoke down at camp. You can just see the haze off in the distance. And that's fairly normal. Every year you're gonna have lightning strikes and stuff like that. Bobby. Oh, yeah, we go. $7,681 feet. Carrie Dome Fire Lookout. Huh. It's pretty cool. That's a lot of stairs to climb to go to work. All the way up.